Today it's Tuesday, December 17, 2024, and this is the BWA. A small update, it's gonna be a short video, mostly for the owner, like any other time, to see the status, where am I till now, and what I did. There was one misunderstanding, I misunderstood from my side, alright? I thought that they want to put the 1000cc injectors, but they want to put 1700cc injectors, 1750 to be exact. And that's what I did. I put the 1750, and I put inside of the old box the 1000cc injectors that was here before. Alright, and it makes sense. Alright, you need drivability idling from direct injection, and when it comes to boost, you need the low pressure injectors. Why is that? Because the injector duty. Alright, then actually you can control it also from the pressure. You can reduce a little bit the pressure, but after that you can have a rough idle. But never mind, don't go there. I put the throttle valve body back in place. I put this fitting here with two washers, alright. I crimp this clamp here for the vacuum, for the brake booster. That's communicating also with the vacuum pump. This is a check valve here. Alright, I'm still waiting the hoses. I haven't received yet the hoses, what I ordered. Still waiting for the hoses. Lovely. I have unplugged the composite sensor here because I make one test fit on the plastic cover that has here for the timing belt, and there are also two brackets that they have made before that's holding the cover here. Fine. So finish on this side. I mark the EGD sensors 1, 2, 3 and 4, alright, to know which one's what. I have installed them and I have torqued it down. I route these two. I don't want to bring it from here front, I want to be far away, and I route it behind this bracket, the OEM bracket over there. Lovely, finish with that. Then the oil pressure sensor here looks like that it's not bothering. That's how that looks like, I hope. From here it comes the shaft. Fine with that. Then I end up using the other high pressure line for the oil feed because the previous one was short. Alright, done also with that. It's not touching anywhere, to be safe. The oil return, I don't know if it's supposed to be like this or if it has to be from this side, because you can put it this way, you can put it this way. This I'm gonna check it on the car. I might route it this way, or I might route it this way. We're gonna find out when it comes to time. Then my headache. No, before I go there, the spring inside of the external wastegate, it's at 23 psi. The piston moves at 23 psi. All right, after compressing, after being seated, needs 23 psi to start moving, to start opening. They asked me for 22, I make it at 23. Yeah. Then there is this gap. For this gap, I mount first the down pipe here on the external, and I try after that to put on the turbo. It's not happening. I don't know how we can close this gap. I have no clue, honestly. It looks like it's short. If I turn the turbo more, then I'm gonna have a problem on the inlet pipe, because there is one big rubber pipe that comes here. Then you're gonna touch everywhere. It's not the ideal. All right? And that's where we end up. We end up at the external, it's not aligned properly. So that's it for now. Waiting for a couple of hoses and the voltage regulator for the alternator. I still don't have it. Still is remaining this. That's it. The map sensor, the 4 bar map sensor or whatever it is that, there are two ways to connect it. One way is either on the pipe, or the ideal, it's direct on the intake manifold. Might need to fix one fitting, let us say here, to be at this point, to be as close as possible, to don't have any rubber between the map sensor to the intake manifold, to get the absolute. And still waiting for this, well, like I said, the bolts here on the damper pulley, the main one, and all the small round here, this is for the end. When I'm gonna put the dual mass flywheel, then we're gonna torque them down. For the dollar mass flywheel, I need the steel plate that I already have it. Yeah, that's the status. Next video, when I'm gonna receive the new hoses, I'm gonna make the video. Just an update regarding the fuel injectors and regarding the external wastegate that you have the Grand Canyon here. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much. Over and out.